Say, yo, Ryan, if you need to contact them, man, you know. I want a household this a bar, you know. He says a household, you know. I just man.
Well, today, I put together some really funny videos to make you guys laugh and cough and roll on the ground. Watch and enjoy.
We'll walk across the street and eat this. Crossing traffic here in Jamaica is crazy. You gotta make sure you put your hand out and you just walk as if you own the place. Damn. He called me a batty man.
That's a compliment. It's a term of endearment.
Oh, it is? A term of endearment, okay.
What the? How them people, man? You must take that as a compliment. Alright, so go and walk with it. You are a man. Hold it.
Me don't know which part them breed a mosquito you come from. Them have on a helmet. They have on sneakers. And so them but they are intelligent. Because by the time you're ready to slap them, then gone. They'll pitch for mosquito destroyer coil and pitch for it.
Wait a minute. Them mosquito, them deadly. Them mosquito you can't kill. Them mosquito are bulletproof. Them spray proof. Them insect spray proof. Me say they have a helmet to next side a police or a soldier.
Yo, corrupt! You're not a rasta! You're corrupt! You're corrupt! Your mind and your inside dirty!
Rasta cause Bubba saying corrupt because him love KFC. Well, at least on a pork or porky, the Bubba eat. Lord of Bubba, make him eat him KFC.
Fatness, sexy, I want to talk to you, you know. Sex them boy that can't manage to walk.
You owe the lady an apology.
Who will that be?
Me say, you owe the lady an apology.
Yes, boss. Respect, boss. Respect your sexy.
Sorry.
Run, man!
This a man no easy. The man bring knife to gunfight. Brother, you ready to die?
You know, you to the squad they want about the roll ready and collect some money. I'm there for giving none enough.
They know it's the same thing the man do. And that's why me and them fall out.
Then me and them fall out too.
You and him fall out?
Yeah, man.
I go on until him alone fall out.
Yeah. Oh, hey, you ready?
Oh, you mean we could do this here?
No.
Send it.
Yo, I think I fancy get easy there, man. Yo, squad, you need to hold on next time, brother. Jano start. That was funny.
What are you dealing with him?
I'm trying to work out what life is like living in a Garrison community.
You want a house?
No, I want to know what people's stories are here.
Smoke ganja.
We all smoke ganja.
Drink special. And if you fuck with we borrow a police friend gun. Boy.
So, General, where you come from?
Grandma said we borrow a police friend gun. Grandma, you lying. You borrow your grandson gun with a gunman. Grandma, she no easy still, you know.
Woman be get money, but in a silver. Woman be get money, but in a silver.
The women won't like this one.
God Almighty, Mr. Rum carry a demonical spell, you see? But when you drink it, you know, man. Bad things intend to happen to you, you know.
I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that they smile, they will make you rum. I must go get account and everything what they go on doing so right now.
And this is what outside of Deer House look like.
Say, yo, Ryan, if you need to contact them, man, you know. I want a household this a bar, you know. He said it's a house full, you know. I just man will live in yard and drink them amount of rum here, brother. When I need to contact him and give him some free rum.
When I tell you, say the people that live at this house, them obviously are Ray and nephew #1 customers. Look pan buckle.
I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that they smile they will make you rum, I must go get account and everything what they go on down here right now. Everything what they go on, I want to know who make you rum. Because you're in a big trouble.
Me not have to ask Christ. Ray and his nephew cause all of this.
Me no name a piece of face yes sir. Oh. Me no name a piece of face. Hey, me burn on that. But man, you not gonna know a pussy. Me time me see him I go chill. Tree can't. I want me move. Tree can't. Want me move. Move a tree, suck pussy. Nyam fuck me can move it. Nyam fuck. Move suck pussy. Nah, kill the man. Me no busy around with you.
Yo, this game is a dangerous game, you know. It make friends and it break up friendship, you know. Man, as a kid, OMG. Even now, as an adult, I play with my kids. And if none of them kill me, a problem. Me and them vex, man. Yeah, man. Loody! But me not kiss no girl pan them booty.
All are we going through it, you know? But let's who take it, one. Not me, though. Y'all be safe.
You're right, boy.
I don't know if this dog is going through it or this dog is just enjoying life, but let that dog be. Well, if you watched and enjoy, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share it with your friends and family and exes, and subscribe. Stay safe.